Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your health but not always glamorous. How to unclog your colon quickly with white foods. Keeping your colon clear is essential for digestive health and overall well-being. In this video, we'll count down 8 white foods that are not only delicious but also fantastic for maintaining a healthy and unclogged colon. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our health tips and nutrition advice. Now, let's dive into our list of the best 8 white foods to unclog and healthier colon fast. Number 1. Yogurt. Topping our list at number 1 is yogurt. Packed with probiotics, yogurt is fantastic for colon health. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that aid in digestion, nutrient absorption, and colon detoxification. They help balance the gut microbiome, preventing the overgrowth of harmful bacteria and promoting regular bowel movements. For optimal benefits, choose yogurt with live and active cultures and low sugar content. Yogurt can be enjoyed on its own, used in smoothies, or incorporated into various recipes for added creaminess. Number 2. Onions. Number 2 is onions. Besides adding flavor to your dishes, onions are rich in prebiotics, which nourish beneficial gut bacteria and support a healthy gut microbiome. Onions contain inulin, a type of soluble fiber that promotes regular bowel movements and helps maintain colon health. A balanced gut microbiome helps protect against harmful bacteria and toxins. Onions can be sautéed, caramelized, or eaten raw in salads and sandwiches. They add depth to soups, stews, and stir-fries, making them a versatile and healthful addition to your meals. Number 3. Garlic. Known for its flavor-enhancing properties, garlic also boasts significant health benefits. It contains allicin, a compound with potent antibacterial and antiseptic properties. Allicin helps reduce harmful bacteria in the gut and promotes the growth of beneficial gut flora. This supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Garlic can aid in detoxifying the colon by stimulating liver function and helping flush out toxins. Incorporate garlic into your diet by adding it to sauces, soups, or even roasting it for a tasty treat. Number 4. Cauliflower. First up, we have cauliflower. As a versatile member of the cruciferous vegetable family, cauliflower is packed with fiber, which is crucial for digestive health. Fiber helps bulk up your stool and ensures smooth passage through your digestive tract, preventing constipation and keeping your colon clear. Not only does cauliflower help in regular bowel movements, but it also acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. This supports overall gut health and detoxification processes. You can enjoy cauliflower roasted, steamed, blended into soups, or even mashed as a low-carb alternative to potatoes. Plus, it's rich in vitamins C and K, and antioxidants. Number 5. Mushrooms. They contain both soluble and insoluble fibers, which are key for digestive health. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut, helping to regulate bowel movements and stabilize blood sugar levels. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, facilitating its movement through the digestive system and preventing constipation. Mushrooms also offer immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory benefits. They can be added to stir-fries, soups, salads, or used as a meat substitute in various dishes. Number 6. White potatoes. The skin contains a significant amount of dietary fiber, predominantly insoluble fiber, which helps add bulk to stool and promotes regular bowel movements. This prevents constipation and supports efficient waste removal from the colon. White potatoes are also rich in potassium and vitamin C, which further support digestive health. Opt for baking or steaming potatoes with their skin on to preserve their nutritional benefits. Enjoy them as a side dish, in soups, or simply seasoned with herbs and a touch of olive oil. Number 7. Bananas. This popular fruit is packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, making it a great aid for digestion. Soluble fiber helps absorb water and form soft, bulky stools, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to aid in stool passage. Bananas are also high in potassium, which is crucial for maintaining fluid balance and supporting muscle contractions in the digestive tract. Eating bananas can help restore electrolyte balance after dehydration and support overall colon health. Enjoy them as a snack, blend them into smoothies, or slice them into oatmeal. Number 8. White beans. These nutrient-packed beans are rich in both fiber and protein, which are essential for digestive health. The fiber in white beans comes in soluble and insoluble forms, helping to soften stools and prevent constipation. They also help regulate blood sugar levels and support overall metabolic health. The protein in white beans aids in tissue repair and maintaining strong intestinal walls. Incorporate white beans into soups, salads, stews, or dips for a tasty and nutritious boost. And there you have it, our top 8 white foods to help unclog your colon fast. From the fiber-rich cauliflower and mushrooms to the probiotic benefits of yogurt, these foods can significantly improve your colon health and support your digestive system. Remember, maintaining a healthy colon is not just about eating the right foods. It's also about leading a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise and plenty of water. We hope you found this countdown informative. If you have any additional tips for maintaining a healthy colon, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more health content. Consider sending us a super thanks or exploring our merchandise for more ways to support our channel. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you with a well-functioning colon.